napisao moj prijatelj i kolega Robert Pauleta. Posebno se ugodno i pomalo uzbuđeno osjećam večeras povodom ovog nanovnog susreta i ove nama drage izložbe koju otvaramo večeras. Postoji prijateljstvo i među ljudima koji žive daleko jedni od drugih i ta se prijateljstva obnavljaju i svako malo kao da propupaju. Tako i večeras, prije svega ovo je kulturalni susret umjetnika iz Langenfelda i njihovih pulsko-istarskih kolega. A tim bi povodom, evocirajući drage nam uspomene, imali što reći. Ostavljam sad po strani one mnogobrojne lijepe trenutke zajedničkih druženja i doživljaja i uzajamnih nastupanja i razmjena u Langenfeldu ili u Puli. Dužnost mi je barem u glavnim crtama ponoviti kratku povijest ove uzajamnosti. Dakle, cijela ova priča započinje inicijativom časnog i nažalost preradno otišlog pulskog kolege i umjetnika gospodina Dušana Šmitrana. On je kao i u mnogim takvim slučajevima i prilikama bio spiritus movens ovog umjetničkog njemačko-hrvatskog prijateljstva. Naime, nakon što je baš u Langenfeldu imao samostalnu izložbu, Dušan Šmitran je altruistično kao i uvijek ponudio je na svoj način požurio povezivanje i međusobnu suradnju tada mladog, tek osnovanog HDLU-a Pule i udruženja iz Langenfelda. Dakle, sada zaista već daleke 1989. desetak je istarskih umjetnika upriličilo izložbu u galeriji Langenfeldskog udruženja. Pridružili su im se i gospođa Sonja Lovrečić, tada iz Ustiza kulture, i novinar Glasa Istre gospodin Mati Čurić. Izlažući i boravivši tjedan dana u Langenfeldu te posjetivši obližnji Köln i Düsseldorf, nastalo je, ili bolje rečeno utemeljeno je, jedno kontinuirano prijateljstvo i kulturna suradnja za koju vjerujemo da će od danas biti intenzivnija i temeljitija. I umjetnici iz Langenfelda borave u Puli. Njihova je izložba upriličena u Istarskom narodnom kazalištu galeriji Vincent iz Kastva 1995. godine. Prijateljstvo se nastavlja. Fulvio Juričić biva pozvan i boravi i izlaže u Langenfeldu. Zatim žalosne godine rata donose jedan prekid u mogućnosti razmjene. No pisma, poruke i akcije naših njemačkih prijatelja govorili su nam o njihovoj odanosti i razumijevanju. No sada je došlo vrijeme za ponovne aktivnosti. Nismo svi više isti kao oni od prije i nažalost nedostaje nam neki dragi kolege, ali prijateljstva su tu da se razvijaju i napreduju. Siguran sam da ovaj kulturni kontakt može biti od velike koristi. Pula i Istra imaju potrebu za otvaranjem i zbližavanjem, pa ono sljedeće može biti i na ekonomskom, turističkom i privrednom planu. Od Langenfelda i jedne od europskih najbogatijih regija u kojoj se nalazi, mi možemo puno naučiti. Zato prošlo je puno godina od prvih druženja, zaista prošlo je puno godina od prvih druženja, no ja vjerujem da je to tek neki novi početak. I naravno želim posebno zahvaliti, da kako i u moje ime i u ime svih nas organizatora odavdje, gospođi Šmitran, što nam je tu došla i pridružila nam se, gospođi Beati na organizaciji izložbe, gospodinu Milotiću na galeriji i isto tako velikom dijelu organizacije i gospođi Sonji Lovrečić. For our German friends here, I will try to say something in English because my German is nothing and English is also not so good.
That's not right.
No. It's about the history of our friendship. It's about our member, unfortunately not now with us, Mr. Dušan Šmitran. He made that contact 1989. And now our exam is, well, I can say like that. Our exam is now to continue that relationship, to continue that cooperation, and continue that friendship. Okay?
We'll do.
For me, it's a very emotional moment, and for me, it's like come back home. So I'm very happy to be here again, and sorry. I'm a little bit emotionally. I'm really very happy to be here because, in fact, it's that we started a thing. So there have been some people in Pula and in Langenfeld, and we really didn't know what shall develop. And that we are here now, it's really a great sign that besides all politics and besides all, I don't know what problems, people can come together. And the most important thing that brings us together now during 21 years is art first. And I personally will really say a very big thank you for people that was very lively communication. But we didn't need any words. We only felt that there is more than words. And so there was one, I remember it was a little bit late by night. We decided to make a relationship between Pula and Langenfeld. And so we went here to Pula, and I met my dear colleague from them, Sonja Lovicic, and I'm very happy to meet you again here. Thank you for coming.
Associations are living. We are here. We are very happy to be here. And Renate just said, I think we have given the virus of this kind of infection, of this good thought, of this communication and the idea to have a dialogue across country to the younger people. So we were very happy. And I've seen Vedran here. Vedran has been in Langenfeld 2 weeks ago in the Sculpture Symposium, and we have brought younger artists here as well. For example, David Fabio, he worked on the back of on the back of the gallery. And really, we have prepared a list of all the artists, but unfortunately there was a little mistake. The numbers we have presented at the pictures are not on the list. To enjoy the friendship and the excellent dialogue with you. I would like to give some thanks. Already Renate said we have some of the founding members of the friendship already mentioned. So I would like to ask Fulvio and Jadranka to come up here, and I would like to give you a little present. The little present is from one of our founding members. Unfortunately, she's very, very ill and couldn't come here. It is a print which has been, she created this print which is called Common Sense. There are some fishes, so it is very good in this area as well, in this maritime area here. And these are printed, I think, Agatha, you have printed this? Yeah? Okay. So, Fulvio, thank you very much. And Jadranka, thank you very much. I must say that Jadranka's work at the PC has given us the possibility to see this wonderful catalog. I would really like to thank for this organization and for the sponsoring here. Laden, of course. Thank you very much that we can stay here and that you have given us the possibility of this wonderful room. I remember the first exposition, Walter Clare, he was already mentioned, was in the small gallery of Dusan Schmidtran just behind the place of Republic. Yeah? So that was years ago and much smaller, but here we have really a huge possibility to present our work. Thank you very much.
Olive oil, very good. I don't know what is inside. And now it comes the other.
Nie, 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 nie,